Hi, I'm Kathy, and happy Nurses Week to all of the nurses and nursing students out there. Here at Level Up RN, we are so excited to celebrate Nurses Week by offering our first ever Level Up RN Scholar Contest. So this is something we've wanted to do for years, and we are so excited to finally do it. As you know, here at Level Up RN, we are all about helping people and building up those around us. So in this contest, we are asking you to nominate a classmate or friend in nursing school who really inspires you. Be sure to nominate them on our website, leveluprn.com, not on social media. We will be selecting 5 nominees who will each be awarded $1,000 each. And if your nominee is selected, then you, as the nominator, will win one of our 6-pack flashcard sets. So be sure to go to our website, nominate those who inspire you, and really brag on them and let us know why they are deserving. And then, in addition, be sure to vote on nominees that really call to you and inspire you. So happy Nurses Week from everybody here at Level Up RN.